Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Honda Pilot. 2017 Honda Pilot Elite, sophistication meets practicality on every drive. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 146,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Looking for a vehicle that's both sophisticated and practical? Check out the 2017 Honda Pilot Elite. Powered by a 3.5L V6 engine with 280 horsepower and 262 feet-pounds of torque, this SUV accelerates like a dream. But let's talk about what really matters, the factory default features. The white diamond pearl exterior will make your neighbors envious, and the black leather interior feels like a luxury recliner on wheels. It gets 19 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway, making it the ideal road trip companion. Plus, it's in excellent condition with a clean CARFAX report. No hidden surprises here. In short, the 2017 Honda Pilot Elite is a luxurious and reliable vehicle that will make you the envy of your friends. Come take it for a spin and see why this SUV is the real deal. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.